Welcome to Shavi Academy. Today we know about drug recommendation project. The main objective of our project is to develop an intelligent healthcare platform that predicts diseases based on the user's symptoms and provides relevant medications recommendations with online pharmacy purchasing support. The main problem statements of our project is the users are unsure about possible diseases based on the symptoms. Here, the difficult is it is difficult to finding suitable medicines quickly. To lack of integrated systems connecting diseases, predictions, and pharmacy services. The manual pharmacy management reduces the efficiencies. Here the proposed solutions are the users uses machine learning to predict diseases from symptoms. It integrates FDA drug API for medicine solutions. It provides online card and payment system. It enables pharmacy to manage drug stock and pricing. Finally, the system outcome is a complete AI-powered healthcare platform connecting users and pharmacists digitally. Coming to user interface, our project. It is our user interface. Here basically we have two modules, user module and pharmacy module. Here the user can register with their personal details like name, email, phone number, password, and his gender and the location of the users. After the registration, the user can log in here. After user successfully log in, the user interface, the user homepage here, the user can enter his age and select his gender and check his name. After entering, he click on continue. Here the user can enter his symptoms. Uh, Based on that, here the user can get the symptoms strength and also drug recommendations are also. Here when we click on medications, the user get symptoms related which medicine he can take. He get drug recommendations. Yeah, these are the drug recommendations. There is a two types of recommendations here we can get OTC medicines and prescribed medicines. Yeah, when we click on any drug name here, we can get all the drug details clearly. Okay, and when we like this way, we can get. After that, when we click on view drugs, based on the drug recommendation drugs, here we can see by search drug name. Here we can search like this way, and we can add to cart our medicines to our cart. Yeah, here we can add to cart our drugs, how much quantity we need to add the drug, and here we don't need any drug, we can remove that also. And after it is okay, then we can continue our proceed to payment like this way. Here we can enter our card details. After that, here we can see our after payment, here we can see our order history also. Okay. Next, log out our session and coming to form C. Form C can register here and log in here. And one more module here the user has. I can show him. View drugs. Yeah, here health details. Here the user can also enter his health details also. Okay. And coming to Form C. Here the forms can register with their personal details. After the registration, they can also log in with their register details. I have already account. Here the form C user interface. Here the form C can add drugs. After that added drugs here, the form C here he can view and update the history also here, like drug name, new price, or new quantity of the drugs. Here the form C can updating the details, added drugs details. This is our project. Coming to once again our PPT here, the module wise, yeah, which points we are covered here, we can see. Yeah, the user can registration login, and after the registration, he enters his health details and also symptoms. Basically, he get a recommendation for the drugs also. Yeah, medicine recommendation by using API fetching medicines and OTC and prescribed drugs. It displays name using route, and also here we can see all the drug details also. And when we click on view drugs, we can get all the drugs details. After that, we can where we can see all the drug details and add to cart. We can buy the drugs details also. Here the pharmacist module. Yeah, pharmacy successfully registration, drug management, inventory control, and view order history, and a system of fraud control. Finally, the technologies here we used in our project is Python for the backend framework is backend framework. Here we use a Flask, and here we also use a machine learning, and the NumPy and Pandas is used to data processing and handling prediction values. Here OpenAI use it to fetch medicine details of for drug information, and for the database storage here we use MySQL. For the front end here we use HTML CSS. It is our project. For more information or for more details about project, I can ping in description. And also if you need this project, the user requirement only, if you need any modification, I can also do that also. So for more details, I will ping about project in description. Thank you.